What's up, guys? Today, man, as you can see, let me check on the date. Today it is 7th August and it's Thursday, and the time right now it is 3 p.m., right? Ladies and gentlemen, this is gold and this is 1 hour time frame, as you can see, of course, right? So we will be looking at, we'll be looking at, some few things right here on gold in 1 hour time frame, of course. And as you can see, man, that this week the market is just, consolidating, something like that. That's why I haven't traded. But I would want us to look at, this week only. So let me put on what is the lines right over here? Let me put on my vertical line on Monday, 12 p.m. and 12 a.m. And let me just, make this black. Yeah, let me make this black. So we'll be focusing on this week, fellas. You know what I'm saying? So, um, as you can see, man, as I've said, that we have been consolidating for a while, and man, all I'm looking for in this market is a simple break and retest, right? And this right here is the highest point the market has been this week, and this is the lowest point that the market has been this week, right? And yeah, man, and as you can see that right over here, this was absolutely Monday. So Monday we almost did, take, some buys on gold, and let me remove this. We almost took some buys on gold, but our our area of interest wasn't valid, because as you can see that when I place my rectangular box right over here, on this week, we just, getting one touch right here. The market, didn't come back, and touched the box again, right? The area of interest, and then, it just broke it, came back to retest it, and damn, we knew that if we got in around here, let's see, let's see. Nah, bro. And you know that I can't be putting my stop loss right here, bro, on 1,600 pips. No way, bro. No way. Stop loss must be around here, bro. 500 pips. And we would have, taken some L's. And yeah, the reason why I didn't take this trade right over here is because, this was one touch, no touch, and then the market broke, came back to retest, but came back to retest right over here. But that wasn't, our setup, right? And the market just, continued to buy, consolidated a little bit right over here. As you can see that the market just lost, like it lost its volume right over here. The volume was very, very small, and yeah, and as you can see that right over here, we have, some support and resistance right over here. As you can see, this is resistant, break, retest, and, support, and the market came back for support. So this was our second, this was our second lowest point, the market has been. in this week, and then yeah, the market, just 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 came back strong with this move, bro. As you can see from here, let me mark this one. Let me mark this thing out, and as you can see, bro, from there, prices just flew by and took out this high right over here. Prices took it out and then came back right over here, you know, came back, and I really thought that prices was creating a higher low right over here. I thought that prices will continue, and and then maybe we would have find a better opportunity. But the real deal is here, guys, right over here, right? It's here and right over here and here, right? So these highs that I've marked are the highs that I was expecting that prices would respect these highs, and whenever they come up right over here, they will reject, without breaking. They will reject, break, retest, and then we get in, and then we take some buys on gold. But unfortunately, that's not what the market did. And as you can see, that the market just violated everything, bro. The market just violated everything. Even this high, bro, was taken out. You can see that. Even this high was taken out. Let me put on this right. Yeah, the market took out, the market clearly, bro, took out this high and this high, but not this one. Maybe this one will not be taken out, but yeah, it really sucks, right? And right over here, the market created an inverse head and shoulder, and maybe most of you guys saw it. And if you got in right over this area right here, you know you would have made some decent profits, bro. You would have made some decent profits if you were not taken out by this week right over here. And let me see, bro, from here to here, this high, the market, traveled, like 2,000 pips, 2,000 pips from this candle right over here. Maybe some of you guys caught it, but me, I didn't caught it, bro. I don't trade like that, bro. Easy like that. Nah, I cannot do, just to see, oh, this is a perfect head and shoulders, and then get in the market. No, we don't do that, bro. We don't do it. But as you can see, guys, I'm not lying. This is, let me put it on. Let me put it on. As you can see, bro. As you can see, bro. It's a clean head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern, and went through the sky, bro. But what we were looking for in the market, we didn't get it. And today is currently Thursday. If the market can only reject, from it's either here, right over here. If the market can reject right over there, reject and break, come back to retest, and that's where I can take some buys right over here, right? That's where I can take some buys right over here, and my target, it is 4,000 pips, guys. It's 4,000 pips. That's my target, and my stop loss is just 500 pips. So if the market can do this thing, that's what I'm waiting for, actually. Or if the market can easily, just come back right over here, give us another rejection and break, retest, and then from there we can take another entry because that would have been double resistance, right? That's what I want to see. I want to see double resistance and a clean break and a retest and a confirmation candle. And that's where, I would like, um, that's where I would like to take my entries, So this week, man, the market is just moving, a hella different, bro. It's a hella different market, but we will see. I'll see, guys, if the market represent itself today because I cannot take longs when it's Friday because the market will be closing on Friday, right? And I cannot, take some trades on Friday and be in the trades in the weekend. I cannot do that, bro. I just need to be patient and wait for the market, to represent opportunities throughout the week, bro. I can only take some sales, I can only take some decent sales on Fridays, and even in the sales, bro. Once 2 p.m. passes, I'm not looking to take any trades on Friday. It's it's game over, bro, for the week. And right now, I don't think that the market, can actually give me those sales, bro. I don't think so because I really thought, when the market gave me, this beautiful resistance after this candle closed, I thought, we would be getting a beautiful break and a retest in the confirmation candle on the area of interest. But no, bro. No, the market just went down and down and down. But it is what it is, bro. It is what it is, bro. It is what it is, bro. But yeah, man, that's the reason why, we do not trade every single week and do not trade every single day, bro. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, bro? That's the reason why. The market did not give us, some clean opportunities, for us to actually get in the trade. Didn't give us a beautiful setup. Most of you guys, did find some good setups, but me, I didn't because we use different strategies. So that's the reason why, bro. That's the reason why. So I think that will be it, guys. For the week, bro. I think I'll come back next week, and the market will present maybe beautiful setups throughout the week. And I saw, some TikToks that August is a bad month for trading, bro. I don't know about you, bro, but I'll be trading on August. Fuck that, bro. I'm trading on August, bro. I don't care, bro. I don't care. If the market represents itself to me, who am I to say no, bro? I'll be taking buys and sells, and I'll be recording them, and I'll be giving them to you guys. I'll record those trades and I'll put it on my YouTube. Yeah. Yeah. And yo, guys, please, don't forget to follow my Instagram account, bro. Don't forget to follow my Instagram account because I'm sharing some reels, sharing some reels. You go and watch, bro. You'll see what it's about. You'll see what it's about. But yeah, man, as you can see that the market is even live right now, bro. You know, uh, it's live. It's live, bro. And I'll see you guys. I'll see you guys on another video, bro. This was the market for the week. That's why I didn't trade, guys. That's why I didn't trade for the week, guys. You know, there is no opportunities in the market, bro. If there is no opportunities in the market, you don't trade. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Shout out, bro.